My question is, on Eid-ul-Adha, instead of sacrificing an animal, can we give money to the needy people instead? And could that be considered as Qurbani?
You see, should we introduce our own Sharia or the Sunnah or follow what the Holy Prophet ﷺ did?
Follow Sallallahu Alaihi
Then,
Wasallam.
see, he used to do Qurbani, sheep Qurbani, and then you see there are quite a number of people in the world who do not even get meat. Here in Europe, you cannot realize this thing. But people living here in the Europe or the Western countries or the rich countries, they can do their sacrifice in the poor countries like Africa or Pakistan or India or elsewhere in South American countries or something. You see, if you do some sacrifice in the African countries, I have received some feedback from some people. Once I asked them to sacrifice some goats somewhere in African villages. And I had the feedback that the people were saying that we have seen meat and we have eaten meat after 3 years or 4 years. So it is also, something which is liked by people if you do sacrifice. And if you have enough money, apart from your Qurbani, Eid-ul-Adha Qurbani, you can give your money as charity to other people, or you can give directly to the people whom you consider poor. But here, for the Qurbani, Eid Qurbani, we have to follow the Sunnah of the Holy Prophet ﷺ, if we are a true Muslim.